The #1 ranked job for 2025 is nurse practitioner. That's according to the U.S. News.
But what does an NP do? Well, the American Nurses Association describes a nurse practitioner as a registered nurse with advanced clinical training who provides direct patient care. They have similar duties to doctors, such as diagnosing patients, ordering prescriptions, and performing physical exams. U.S. News reports median and annual salary for nurse practitioners tops 6 figures, clocking in at more than $120,000 in 2023. Good evening. Thanks for joining us at 5 today. I'm Brian Yacono.
And I'm Amanda Hill. Despite how popular it is, communities in Maine are lacking enough NP staff to support patients. News Center Maine's Brianna Bush has more on the profession.
There's a tremendous need for care.
A tremendous need for care, and while there's still a shortage of them in Maine, nurse practitioners are providing a valuable resource.
And family nurse practitioners are able to really work with that underserved population and fill that gap in the rural settings.
For Lori Town, who was raised in Dover Foxcroft and is now a family nurse practitioner for Northern Light Primary Care in the same town, filling that gap is about giving back to her community.
To affect change in those ways, I think it's just very attractive.
According to the Maine Nurse Practitioner Association, there are more than 3,100 nurse practitioners in Maine. Town says what's driving people to the field is the work-life balance and ability to work in different specialties like the emergency department, hospice, and pediatrics.
Being able to translate those interests into other areas and have more autonomy.
Here at the University of Maine, the nursing program is inspiring the next generation of nurse practitioners.
The healthcare workforce pipeline is in need of new nurse practitioners.
Program coordinator for UMaine's Family Nurse Practitioner Program, Sean Sibley, works with students to make sure they're prepared to meet the needs of the community.
Our program in Maine and a lot of Maine nurse practitioner programs are really focused in reaching patients where they are, and that's often in rural communities where there are very few medical providers.
And as nurse practitioners continue working to fill in the gaps, there's one goal everyone is hoping to achieve.
We're all on the same page. We all have the same goal to take care of our patients.
Brianna Bush, News Center, Maine.